So we are at the park at the moment, where you can see beautiful park, pine trees everywhere, and we're heading to the waterfalls. Look at my attire. I look like going to the farm. See you very soon. Waterfalls. There you go. We are at the waterfalls. Small waterfalls, but it's pretty. Heading now. And if you see that bridge over there, we're heading there. So it's quite nice, though the water is not so clear, but it's pretty. Hey, we are now going to Gunung Berimbun mountain forest. I don't know. So we are almost there, like 30 meters away, and I don't have any idea what's that. So we hope we could see nice things here, other than forest, other than trees, bamboos. Oh, I think this is it. Huh. Yes, so finally Berimbun. Okay. From here. Maybe because it's a lot of bamboo here, that's why it's called Gunung Berimbun. Is it here, Ben? Yeah. Orangutans here, but I didn't see, so I pretend to be the orangutans. I'm the mother of the monkeys. Okay.